Spectacles, testicles, watch, and wallet. I am ready. We got some boomers coming in. What's up, guys? Don't hit Karen. She'll freak out and sue me. She has nothing to do but drink red wine in suburbia. What's up, people? So today I am going to take the sandrail to the car wash. I actually don't even have a hose here or anything to wash it with, which should be fun. It's actually pretty warm out. I've got on more apparel than I need to stay warm. And long story short, I'm basically just gonna kind of degrease some of the engine and wash it down, because this will probably be one of my last chances before winter comes to clean it up. And I want to do some work on it this winter, get it really ready, really perfect for next year. So it should probably be a lot nicer. You guys can see, obviously, anywhere where there's oil residue with like the valve covers or kind of fuel residue, it really collects all of that dirt and stuff. I got to be a little bit careful because I've got my MSD box here just out in the open and all the electronics and stuff. Because the gentleman who built it and had it before me, it was a very beautiful hot rod. He kept it super clean and it went to the sand a couple of times. I am already a filthier dirt ball than that gentleman was. And yeah, it's kind of bugging the crap out of me because I like my nice sandrail to be clean. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is the most reasonable thing possible. I'm gonna put this GoPro and mount it to the only flat surface here, which is the very solid and rigid mount of the air cleaner of the Cannon air filter on this here dune buggy. So I'm hoping it's gonna work. Actually, I'm touching the screen right now thinking it is. So here we go. We're going to mount this thing. Let's see if it works. Probably won't, I don't know. Get the rocks out of there. So I get rocks up my butt. Okay, hooray. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so while I'm fiddling with all these seat belts, I might as well start it and get some temperature in it. Spectacles, testicles, watch, and wallet. I am ready. Probably ought to get some fuel too. That'd be smart. Yes. Yeah. Tell you what, you guys, I've been pretty stressed out lately, so it's kind of nice just to get out there. Probably had to check to make sure I had brakes before I come to a busy intersection, right? But honestly, yesterday was a voting day and the election's coming up, so I don't know, half the people think the world's gonna end anyway, right? Whatever. So this is not bad. I don't feel that bad in traffic bopping around. I have to admit though, when I'm blasting down the road, you know, just doing like 55 miles an hour, I do think to myself how much it would hurt to run into a movable object. So I would say generally somebody driving a sandrail around is probably going to be a safe driver, because we don't really want to run into stuff. Oh, also this is based on a really old Beetle before like turn signals and stuff were mandatory. So I don't have turn signals on it. I have to hand signal, which is totally fine. However, I have a feeling 99% of people on the road have no idea what a hand signal looks like from a motorist. Go back to the other century, loser. Nice jungle gym. You're stupid. Yeah, I got a 200 horsepower jungle bike. Hooray! La la la. I have to be honest, it's kind of hard to resist the urge to just come through this intersection dead sideways. Oh man. All these people are looking at the idiot in the jungle bent gym with the engine and the big tires that's talking to himself right now. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I am crazy. No, society doesn't want me, so I do YouTube. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Yes, yes, I made it. I'm not in jail. The car runs. Win. The only bad thing is I gotta take a leak, which means if I wash this vehicle and I have to pee, it's only gonna get worse. You are what, camera people? Who needs them, right? Okay, so I am going to wash this thing. It's just gonna fall off. It's got a, oh God, it fell off. I knew it would. Had a texture. All right, we're still trying. I know how to try. Okay, there's gotta be something I can stick this thing to, not that. All right, I'm gonna stick it here. Here we go. Yeah. That's not the worst thing that's touched it. Let's be honest. Oh, here we go. We got some boomers coming in. What's up, guys?
Oh, not much. Getting some little race car, huh?
Yeah, it's just a little hot rod for the street.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, thank you. The boomers are gone now. It's okay. It's gonna make people mad. I'm triggered. All right, you guys, now let's see if it works. Oh, that didn't work. Oh my God, I'm terrible at everything. Yes, terrible things, terrible, bad. Okay, on the plus side, it'll stick better because it's wet. So this should be real clean. I got the tires, I got the wheels, got all the ins and outs. The transaxle looks like $1 million. You can see all that. So actually, I'm just gonna push it outside in the sun. Here we go. Look, God, oh, this is so nice. Having a car this easy to push, come on. Yes, yes. I have to vacuum my interior. All right, not bad, not bad. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. Oh yes, all the dirt and stuff on the seats. Probably should have just washed them off. Ah, yes, now I get to sit in the water and the mud. Hooray. Casey, you're a sissy. We go mudding all the time. And me and my buddy Dwayne, we had 3 inches of mud caked on and we went to the doctor and it's still full of mud. Okay, well, I'm not hanging out with your buddy Dwayne, man. Like, I didn't plan on getting this muddy today. Oh, let's hope it just starts. Like a champ. Yes. Oh, my butt is wet. Yeah, give me some alternator juice. Hooray, everything works. All right, you guys, I will blow this thing off and hopefully if it works, come back with another video and go get fast food in a dune buggy. Look out, it's a Karen. I swear to God, that is a Karen, and she loves dachshunds. Dachshunds, yeah, how do you say that? Good, it's still working. Don't hit Karen, she'll freak out and sue me. She has nothing to do but drink red wine in suburbia and be angry at people who think for themselves. Sorry, Karen. Yes! All right, I should probably get fuel. And I would like lunch. Let's see. Fuel. Let's go, Karen. Karen. All right, you guys, I'm gonna blow this thing off and I will catch you later.